Hello, welcome to this podcast. My name is Beatrice Mars. I am a singer songwriter from France. And I have to say, I was running out of ideas, and I thought that I wasn't going to do any more podcasts, any videos anymore, because as usual, I'm recording this podcast on video, and I will put the video on YouTube. And I think for the occasion, because I'm coming back because there is a special occasion somehow, I'm gonna do a little bit of editing and with the videos that I don't usually do. I think I've never done that on this channel anyway. So, well, the big news is, first of all, you know that I'm not too keen on social media. I said I wasn't too keen on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, but because of the distributing service I'm using, which is CD Baby, uh, and then I'm thinking that I should do a podcast on the reason why I'm using CD Baby, because I know yes, I'm not doing like everyone else is, it seems to me. So yes, so the special occasion is on TikTok. The service I'm using, I've made an agreement with TikTok so they can actually distribute the music of the artist on TikTok. So the announcement was made a few months ago, but every time I was going on TikTok to see what was happening, I couldn't see anything. And today of all day, uh, I went on TikTok and I've discovered that my last album called I Don't Know is now part of it are available on TikTok. So all the 11 songs are available. Unfortunately, the last 5 albums are not there, so I don't know what was going on, or is it because it's a time constraint and everything? Because to me, it looked to me as if it took them a lot of time to actually put the music on the platform. So I don't know what's going on with that. But the thing is, things are getting out of control. So that's the name of the track that I'm gonna use to edit the video for YouTube. But and it's the name of a track that I've actually used to actually post on TikTok. I've done 2 posts in more than I can't remember. I mean, it's been months right now. I guess, and maybe the last post was in January. I don't know. I can't remember anyway. So I've put on TikTok just to say that to make the announcement that I'm now available on the platform, so you can use my music on TikTok, which is kind of good. So, and the funny thing is, I don't know how it's gonna work out because I'm about to lose all my telephone lines because I cannot pay anymore. So I'm gonna be down maybe or maybe not to an internet connection. I think I have to sort something out with the services. I'm gonna try to talk to one of them to see if I can actually keep my business line for a while. I don't know. So crisis. So things are totally getting out of control. It's like it's a time in my life where I just don't know if I should laugh, smile, cry, get mad at things. Anyway, and well, there's no real point to be mad at the situation because things are out of your control, my control. So basically, well, the only somehow I feel like I don't want to get too political on this podcast, but we are living in a situation right now which is like, something we've never seen before, kind of, and this the situation is totally out of our control, but I would say thanks to our government. So it's getting harder and harder every day. But I'm now on TikTok, so rejoice. I've been waiting for that for a few months, so I don't know how it's gonna turn out. I don't know if I'm be able in the next following weeks to actually see how it's gonna turn out. If you follow me, if you on TikTok, and please leave some comments on the videos or on Anchor. I try to see if I can manage to actually go and see what's going on. So basically, I'm betting on the fact that I might be able to keep my my internet connection indoors. So I hope so. And oh, at the very least, my business line. But at this point, to this point in the time, I don't know. I really don't know. I will have to negotiate. Maybe if anything is negotiable nowadays. Yeah, 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 yeah. So I don't like social media, but I'm very much happy about the TikTok things. I think I don't know. I don't know why. Maybe I should not, because I've been waiting for it for such a long time. Like they were saying, like a few months back, the service was saying, CD Baby was saying that they were going to be in China. I've waited. Honestly, I kind of. Maybe I know I'm not the only one, but every time someone is announcing something, uh, I'm expecting it to be kind of available straight away, sort of thing. Is that the internet thingy, the downloading time speed or whatever? But I kind of think, and I keep forgetting that these app are are companies, and it takes time to actually get in touch with a company to negotiate things and getting some agreements on terms of services and everything. And it takes time, and it takes time, and it takes time. And sometimes somehow you end up very much disappointed. Well, but today I'm not disappointed anymore. So check me out if you haven't seen me. I mean, you can go and follow me on TikTok. The name is Beatrice Mars, in one word, I think it is. And you can follow me as well on Instagram, Beatrice Mars. Even though I'm not posting, I'm actually posting sporadically. That's what I can say about it. So yeah, when I feel like it, I actually post, and I don't know. So that's it for me. Well, and if you're on YouTube, you can still subscribe to my channel, and it will help me with the algorithm. If you know, anyway, if you subscribe anywhere, it will help me with the algorithm. Thank you very much for listening to me and watching me, for some of you, and you'll see me next time. And what is next time? So yeah, I've just said that I should say why I did go with CD Baby and not the other ones. So, and I think this one is going to be a short video if I do decide to do the video. So, till then, see you next time. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you for watching me, and bye.